Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Photoshop error that the file format module cannot parse the file. So when the photo file extensions is changed by mistake and it will show could not complete your request because the file format module cannot parse the file. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung registry editor. And then click mo lang dito yung open. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. Before to proceed to registry, so I would suggest and recommend to create a backup file so that anything go wrong, you can restore back in. Alright? So, on how to create a backup file. So, dito lang sa taas, i-click mo lang dito yung file. And then, select mo lang dito yung export. And then, dito sa export registry file. So, select mo lang dito kung saan mo sisave yung file. And then, to create a file name. So, most recommended to create a file name with a date. Okay? So, ilagay mo lang dito and i-click mo lang dito yung save. And then, if you want to import back, so very simple. So, same procedure, click mo lang dito yung file, and then select mo lang dito yung import. And then, dito sa import registry file, so click mo lang dito and locate kung saan mo sinave yung file. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. Alright? So, proceed na tayo. So, ang next step, dito lang sa computer, and then select mo lang dito yung HK local machine. So, kailangan mo lang yan mag-double click. And then, next step ay, dito sa HK local machine, select mo lang dito yung software. So, double click ulit tayo dyan. And then next dito sa software, ay ilocate lang natin dito yung Adobe. Okay? Yung pinakauna, ito siya. Yung Adobe, kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then next step ay, kailangan mo lang select dito yung Adobe Acrobat. So, kailangan mo lang yung i-click. And then dito sa right side, sa empty space, so kailangan mo lang mag-create ng new folders. Kung paano mag-create ng new folder, so right-click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung new. And then select dito yung DWORD 32-bit value. And then dito sa kanyang new value name, ay kailangan lang natin i-rename yan. So ilagay lang natin yan yung override physical memory MB. Ayan. So kailangan mo lang i-rename ng override physical memory MB, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then dito sa kanyang edit DWORD 32-bit value. So dito lang sa value data, kailangan lang natin yan i-change yung 0 into 4,000. Okay, so lagyan natin yung 4,000. So why? So value data 4,000 failed. So this will allow approximately 4 gigabytes worth of memory allocations. Ayan, yun ang po ang ibig sabihin. And then, yung base, kailangan nakasilik dito yung hexadecimal. And then, click mo lang dito yung OK. And then, after dito, so press lang natin. And then, kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? So, dito si start menu, and then, select mo lang dito yung restart. Right? So, ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix could not complete your request because the file format module cannot parse the file. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.